I got a gaga restaurant. Friends are not here, waiting for them and taking some rest. Make a short video clip in front of the mirror. On the way, New Schwab Street. All the Japanese sushi items available here are very expensive. One friend helped me to take a video during the process. Looks like it's become so delicious. Try to best make a plating. I am not good at plating. One piece of kimbap was eaten so fast before taking a photo.